The Sleep Foundation Test Lab inspects and analyzes hundreds of products to help you have a better night's sleep. Join us as we review the top mattresses in the market and find the best one for you. Hi, I'm Chris from Sleep Foundation, and today in the test lab we've got the Nectar Mattress. In this video, we'll cover what our testing found to help find the right mattress for you. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button below and leave a comment or subscribe to our channel. And as always, visit sleepfoundation.org for any of your sleep needs. Let's get started. The Nectar Mattress is an all-foam mattress with a firmness rating around 6 on our 10-point firmness scale. Nectar, which is part of Resident Home, has been around for a couple of years now. It was founded in 2016, and it's one of the leading bed-in-a-box mattress companies. The Nectar mattress is also known as the Nectar Memory Foam Mattress, and it's the company's flagship model. Before we get started, let's talk about who this mattress would be a really good fit for. The Nectar mattress is ideal for side sleepers who weigh over 130 pounds, although back and stomach sleepers from all weight groups will really enjoy it. People who awaken easily when their sleep partner changes position will appreciate the Nectar's motion isolation. If you're on a budget, and who isn't, then you're really going to appreciate this high-quality material and lower price point. However, there are a few things worth considering about the Nectar mattress. For people who tend to sleep hot, it might trap too much body heat. For lightweight sleepers, it might be too firm. And finally, people who don't enjoy that hugging feeling of memory foam likely won't be comfortable. The Nectar mattress is available in all 6 standard sizes, and it comes with a lifetime limited warranty. If you purchase from the Nectar website, you'll get free shipping within the continental United States and a generous 365-night sleep trial. Also, white glove delivery is available for a $140 base fee. Let's see what we've learned about the mattress from our testing. It's about to get technical. Inside the Nectar mattress, there are 3 layers of foam, including 2 layers of memory foam. The top 2 layers consist of a 3-inch medium-density gel memory foam and a 1.75-inch layer of standard memory foam, which acts as the transition layer. The support core consists of 5.25 inches of high-density 2.2 PCF polyfoam. Memory foam is known for its strong contouring. It responds to a sleeper's weight and body heat, and allows them to sink in, which can relieve pressure points by distributing the weight of the sleeper's body. This may create the sensation of sleeping in rather than on the bed. Our testing found that the Nectar's 2 layers of memory foam contour well to a sleeper's body, allowing the average side sleeper's hips and shoulders to sink in enough to relieve pressure points and promote better spinal alignment. Side sleepers who weigh under 130, however, might find the Nectar slightly too firm, as many lightweight side sleepers prefer a soft or a medium soft feel. Our testing found that even though the Nectar's memory foam layers contour for added comfort, they still provide a significant amount of support, which should be conducive for back sleepers. Back sleepers generally prefer a mattress that provides even support, as they need a level plane to keep their spines well aligned. Well, the Nectar might be a little firmer than lightweight back sleepers prefer, but they should still appreciate that extra support. Our results also show the Nectar is supportive enough to prevent stomach sleepers' midsections from sinking in too deeply, which is great for your spine. Because of this, the Nectar mattress may be comfortable for stomach sleepers from any weight group. We found that the Nectar's 3 layers of foam absorb a significant amount of motion, preventing it from spreading across the surface of the mattress. People who sleep with partners may find that this excellent motion isolation reduces nighttime disturbances caused by their partner moving during the night. We also discovered that the Nectar's edge is somewhat sturdier than most all-foam models due to its denser foam. All-foam models rarely have reinforced edges, and when you sit or sleep near the edge of an all-foam mattress, that foam compresses. This can create a feeling of instability that limits the usable surface of the mattress. This might be a problem for couples who want more room, and people who have mobility issues. It really makes it difficult to get out of the bed. Since the perimeter of the Nectar tends to sink less, it may feel more secure, especially to individuals who weigh less than 230 pounds. And finally, we found that the Nectar's cooling features make it sleep cooler than many all-foam mattresses on the market. The mattress cover uses Tencel, which is a breathable fabric and allows more air circulation into the mattress. Because memory foam conforms so closely to the sleeper, it has a tendency to trap body heat throughout the night. The memory foam used in the Nectar is semi-open and infused with gel to keep the mattress from trapping as much body heat. While this infusion can promote a cooler night's sleep than many competing memory foam mattresses on the market, the Nectar still retains more heat than some sleepers find ideal. So let's take a look at the overall outcomes from our mattress testing. We found the Nectar mattress to provide average support for side sleepers and above average for back and stomach sleepers. However, side sleepers who weigh under 130 pounds might find the Nectar slightly too firm. Thanks to the 3 layers of memory foam, the Nectar mattress has exceptional motion isolation and pressure relief. While all foam mattresses inherently sleep hot, the Nectar's cooling features allow it to sleep cooler than many all-foam mattresses on the market. And finally, due to its denser foams, the Nectar's edge is somewhat sturdier than most all-foam models. What does this mean? Well, the Nectar mattress is a high-quality but low-cost foam mattress suitable for all back and stomach sleepers and side sleepers who weigh over 130 pounds. Well, that's it for our review of the Nectar mattress. Check the description below and sleepfoundation.org for the full review, as well as the most up-to-date information on discounts and pricing. If the Nectar doesn't seem like the right mattress for you, you can check the alternatives here. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good night's sleep.